If you see the error message, "We can't verify your subscription status," in Adobe Apps, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes, starting with quick basic checks and then moving on to advanced solutions if the problem continues. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Then, check your system's date and time settings and confirm that "Set Date and Time Automatically" is enabled and properly synced. Next, open the Creative Cloud desktop app. Click on your profile icon and sign out. Close all Adobe apps, restart your computer, and then sign back in using your Adobe ID. After signing back in, open Creative Cloud and check for updates. Install any available updates for Creative Cloud and for your Adobe apps, such as Photoshop or Illustrator. If the issue continues, you may need to clear cached credentials. On Windows, restart the Credential Manager service. Sometimes antivirus or firewall software can block Adobe connections. Try temporarily disabling them or adding Adobe apps as exceptions. You can also clear Adobe cache files, such as the OOBE folder on Mac systems. If none of these steps work, use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This tool removes existing Adobe installations so you can reinstall everything from scratch. Finally, log into your Adobe account online and make sure your billing information is up to date. If the error still appears, collect error logs using the Adobe Log Collector tool and contact Adobe support for further help.